A very good evening, everyone. I'm Farah, your MC for today. Before we officially begin our event, I would like to start off with a short brief on some housekeeping and friendly reminders to all our guests today. I believe many of you are familiar with Zoom, but nevertheless, I'll still give the simple briefing and may benefit those who are new with Zoom. So firstly, please mute your microphone. You can see the mic icon on the button at the bottom left of your screen, and that's where you can control your microphone setting. Next, I would also like everyone to turn on your video during the group photo session that will be held later at the end of our closing ceremony. So just click the start video button on the left bottom of your screen. Next, you can click speaker view on the button at the top right corner to focus on the current speaker who is speaking. Alright, that's it for the housekeeping. Now, welcome to the closing ceremony of the 2020 Merdeka SME E-Fair. Finally, our 3-day Merdeka SME E-Fair event has almost come to an end, and what a great 3 days it has been. I would like to express humble gratitude and appreciation to everyone who has participated in our event, whether it be at the e-fair, marketplace, or during the webinar sessions. Thank you for spending your time with us during this 3 eventful days. Now, we will have a very special session to acknowledge our wonderful exhibitors who have taken part in our historical Merdeka SME E-Fair event. It is time for the first SME E-Fair Award session. We have a total of 7 categories to award our winners with, and the categories are the most popular booth, Best Strategized Marketer Booth Award, Excellence Digital Award, Best Creativity Award, Best Video Presentation Award, Most Innovative P2P Operator Award, SME Contributors Award, and Appreciation and Recognition Award. Now, we have never done an online or virtual award ceremony before. This is the first time for everything, so please do bear with us. Alright, without further ado, I will call out the award, and the winners will be spotlighted as recognition. Okay, so now I hope you enjoyed the multimedia presentation. Okay, let's get straight to the first award. The most popular booth award. There are 3 winners, and it goes to State Insurance Broker Sendirian Berhad, Dana Wellness, and also M-Bank Group. The best strategized marketer booth award, and the winner is Excel FMB. Next, the Excellence Digital Award, and the platinum winner goes to eStream Software Sendirian Berhad 2L, and the gold winner goes to Exabyte. Moving on, we have the Best Creativity Award, and the platinum winner goes to Code 7 Tech. And the gold winner of the Best Creativity Award goes to Fineplex Digital. Now, the winner for the Best Video Presentation Award goes to Vmen TV. Right, congratulations. Moving on, so the platinum winners are M-Bank Group, Maxis Broadband Sendirian Berhad, and also SME Association of Malaysia. And our gold winners for the SME Contributors Award are BNI, IMAX Financial Sendirian Berhad, Entrepreneur Elite Malaysia, Quest Group. Going on to the next award, the Appreciation and Recognition Award. Now, the winners are SME Corp, MPC, Perkeso, Magic, and also MDEC. Mike Shankar to give his closing remarks first.
Thanks, Farah.
Right.
Thanks, Farah. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our Malaysia First Merdeka SME E-Fair, jointly organized by MCM and Money Compass. I'm Max Shankar, the organizing chairman and group CEO of MCM. In conjunction of Merdeka Day celebration tops the abundance spirit of sharing, caring, and working together, a classic example of how this Merdeka SME E-Fair is being organized. Getting the support from various government agencies, association, and SME business owners to unite together and synergize all our resources to make these 3 days at Merdeka SME E-Fair a remarkable success. You may not familiar the names like Humphrey Davy, Joseph Swine, Alexander Glogin, but I'm sure you heard of Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison was not the first person who invented light bulb, but the gentlemen names that I mentioned earlier. These are the people who invented light bulb. But people always remember the great promoter of ideas and products. Years back, there are already ideas on how to do virtual fair, expo, seminars, and etc. In a great uncertainty lies opportunities. MCA and Money Compass seeing the great opportunity during the COVID-19 pandemic, and within 1 month, putting all the resources to turn this SME E-Fair from concept to reality. Looking ahead to our vision in order to enrich our partners, SME business partners, clients from various industries, from properties to e-commerce to technology to F&B. We face an extremely tough challenge from beginning, making our approach and services competitive, innovative, and systematically enough with the rapidly changing business demands. Yet, we have made great success. Thank you for everyone. Up to date, we have close to more than 9,000 sign-up visitors and 70 booths, more than 2 million impressions, 30,000 FB viewers, 10,000 page visits. We strongly believe that this SME E-Fair will help our partners to embrace the new way of doing business digitally and globally. Besides that, I would like to congratulate all the winners for your continuous efforts and contribution to the SME industry, as you all well deserve for the recognition. Ladies and gentlemen, hope to see you in our upcoming October Fest SME E-Fair for help all the F&B, the healthcare and beauty industries in our new hall from 9 to 11 October. Stay competitive and happy Merdeka Malaysia. Thank you, and back to you, Farah.
Congratulations and thank you to all of our winners. Let's all give a round of virtual applause to them. All right, we've done the closing remarks. Now it is time for a virtual photo session together. So just like I've said during the housekeeping, now I would like to ask everyone, if you are able to turn on your videos, please do so we can get all your bright smiles in our virtual photo. We will be taking 3 photos in total, so I hope everyone's ready with your camera on. Okay? All right, thank you very much for your cooperation, everyone. Our Merdeka SME E-Fair has come to an end. On behalf of the organizers, I would like to express our humble gratitude and appreciation to our honorable guests, speakers, exhibitors, visitors, and everyone who took part in Malaysia's 2020 Merdeka SME E-Fair. And also not to forget, thank you to all of our sponsors. Thank you for helping us make Malaysia's 2020 Merdeka SME E-Fair into a reality. And also to all of our supporting associations, we are in gratitude for your help and support throughout, and will cherish all the teamwork and cooperation that has been put in. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to apologize for any mistakes or technical difficulties throughout the event. It's a new thing for us, especially the award session. So we are learning, and we will definitely improve in the future. And just like what you can see on your screen now, our next event will be in September, which is the My Malaysia Financial Week, which will happen on the 15th until 17th September, and this will also be online. So we hope to see you there, along with our Oktoberfest. Yes, Oktoberfest SME, the SME E-Fair Oktoberfest, which will be held from 9 until 11 October. All right. Thank you very much for joining us, and I hope you have enjoyed the experience of our 2020 Merdeka SME E-Fair at www.smeefair.com.my. Again, I hope to see all of you during our upcoming SME E-Fair, and also our My Malaysia Financial Week, which will be held next week, because both of the events will be packed with even more exciting events and activities, and it's going to be great. It's going to be fun. So we hope you will give us your presence. All right? Okay. Thank you very much. Stay safe, and I wish you all have a great evening ahead. Thank you, and see you next time.